everybody, welcome to Japanese Cookie Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make ShiraAe. This recipe I use turnip leaves because I really wanted to use shungiku, which is the edible chrysanthemum, but I couldn't find it in this country, so I found the turnip leaves, so I decided to use that one. But you don't need to use turnip leaves. You can use spinach or the broccolini or some other deep green leaves to use a substitute. And this is a vegan and also shojin ryori, that's the monk's food. And I learned this recipe from monk's cooking class. And you can use some spring ingredients and also summer ingredients. It's still ShiraAe, but this recipe is because I'm using persimmon and edible chrysanthemum, supposed to be, so that's fall season. I will show you how to make it right now. If you like my video, please thumbs up, that's helpful. And also, if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.